Hey drivers, we are going to talk about the radiator when it starts to spew radiator fluid. You can see where I did some patchwork there using some epoxy metal. That holds for a while. You could see where on this end it held pretty good, but in the middle it didn't. I mean, this is a temporary thing, eh? You can't count on that holding forever, but it held for about a month before it started to leak again. Anyway, I need to take out the radiator and get it serviced properly, and that means taking out my custom shield and all that stuff. Here you can see what it looks like when the radiator is out. And that's the actual radiator. Mine is metal, I'm not plastic. I always prefer metal. Stronger, more durable, easier to service. Notice where that hole is, and notice where it's being serviced here. The top is very dirty. That's where you pour in your fluid. It goes through those holes. Now they're putting a twist. I'm making that custom twist. Instead of just having it at that 90-degree angle straight to the engine, they're putting a twist on it. You can see where they soldered it back and brought it back like new. And that's the angle. It goes straight to my engine, or at least it points it when I put the holes. And you can see how I fitted it together using clamps and a copper tube in the middle. You can see it from the underneath. Trinity Works helped me out in St. James. They did a good job.